Hello friends, today I am going to make a Lego pencil holder. I'm going to show two different types of pencil holders. One has a square base like this, and the other has a triangular base. We are going to make both of these in this video. Let's get started. I took apart my square pencil holder, and these are the pieces you need. You need 36 2x4s in any color, a base plate, and thin Lego pieces like these. Let's get started. This is how the first layer looks. Let's keep building one layer at a time. This is the second layer. I finished adding 9 layers, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we're going to add these thin pieces. These thin pieces actually help from not getting hurt from the edges. You can use this as a pencil holder like this. It can hold pencils and pens. Or, like my sister does, she puts marbles in there. It makes a funny noise. You can also use it to put your toothbrushes. Now I am going to show you how to make the other pencil holder. Now I'm going to build the other pencil holder. This pencil holder has a triangular base. I took apart the triangle pencil holder that I showed you in the beginning of the video. And these are the pieces you need. You will need 30 2x4 Legos in total. You can use whatever colors you like. Let's get started. I'm going to show you the triangular base. It's very tricky to make, so please pay attention. As you can see, I arranged these 3 Legos in a triangular shape. Now let's join them. It is kind of tricky to join them. Now this is our base. It was kind of tricky to join them. Now let's build one layer at a time on top of this. We finished our triangular pencil holder. You can use these pencil holders to hold anything you like this. hope you make this at home and have fun.